By now you're probably wondering what car we're test driving. But it's quite clear, it's the Haval, and it's the H2, the SUV. We'll explain more about this car in the next frame. Made in China. No longer a negative issue. Nearly everything we use in our daily lives comes from China, and this vehicle, this SUV, comes from China. This is the Haval H2. It comes from a company that has been making vehicles for a very long time. They started off as a company making military vehicles, trucks, pickups, big equipment. Now they've gone into the passenger market. We've seen them before in Malaysia. They've not had a big impact. Now comes this H2. It's been around for a few months. We just got our hands on it. 92,000 ringgit for this pretty decent looking car. Bold front, a lot of chrome. This Haval H2 sparkles. Daytime running light, chrome inserts. It's got everything that the consumer wants for this segment. Problem is now, can it survive when the Geely Boyu is just months away from being launched under Proton? That's also a China-made vehicle coming from an equally substantial Chinese car company, and is going to compete directly with this $92,000 Haval. What do you get for $92,000? Keyless entry, of course. You get textured plastic around the vehicle. It does feel pretty decent. You get a nice entertainment unit, touchscreen, and when it's touchscreen, it's got all the features that you'll need. You've got your control panel here, decent sized gear lever, electronic handbrake, multifunction steering wheel. That's two decent sized seats, nicely sculptured, pretty comfortable. At the back, not too bad, decent sized leg room. Fit and finish looks okay. Actually looks more than okay. Solid feel. Everything feels well put together. Isofix points, 3 popper headrests, grab handles, and a sunroof. Soft touch button to open the rear tailgate. A full-size spare tire on a very nice high boot floor. Now under the bonnet you get a 1.5 turbocharged engine which has got 147 brake horsepower. Pretty decent. There's nothing really lacking. Looks all well put together. The cladding, everything. Actually, this car has got everything. I'm trying to find something not good about this car, but so far I really cannot find anything that's not good. So let's start it up and let's take it for a drive. Now the center display has got some interesting information that it'll provide for you. From the steering you can control this. Instant fuel economy, average fuel economy, the trip meter, tire pressure, average speed, your journey time, your distance to empty. Actually, again, this This SUV has got nearly everything that you would want. But how does it drive? We'll tell you. So far, this car drives quite decently. It's quiet, the NVH is good. The ride and handling, there's no complaints. For what you pay for a 1.5 turbocharged vehicle, for an SUV with a high riding stance, it's actually quite comfortable. The seats are pretty decent. The absorption is good. When we go over bumps, there's no rattling, there's no sound. When we hit a pothole, the nice, heavy thud is there. It's a good all-round $92,000 SUV. Now, Haval will give you a 5-year warranty, 150,000 kilometers. It's easy to drive in the city. Pickup is decent when you need it. Brakes are okay, could be better, but this is not a vehicle for you to be driving fast. So all in all, I'm quite impressed, because you're paying $92,000 and you're getting something that's generously equipped.